Good morning, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. Welcome newcomers and welcome everybody else back to my channel. I'm walking down the county road here, retrieving my mail, and I'm picking up branches and stuff. And I noticed that, these criminals, here comes one, they like to trespass the property and create ruts on my property. Oh, this looks like my neighbor. So they like to trespass my property by creating ruts on the easement here. So this is what they did. I'm just going to show you. But I hope everybody's doing well. I uploaded yesterday part 7 of the book reading of Global Thuggery by Corkin Cherubini. It's a great book. So this is what they do here. There's absolutely no reason for anybody to be driving. This is the county road. There's no reason for anybody to be driving on this section of the property. It's all deliberate. And then somebody overnight went into my garbage. No, it wasn't an animal. And they punctured the underside of the plastic bags. These are not child pranks. These are deliberate sabotage. And yeah, this is the county road. This has been here for 3 years. This mess here. Oh, but yeah, they want to build a ballpark instead. Look. They want to build a ballpark instead. Spend money on a ballpark when you've got roads that look like this. And this is all deliberate. Like this here. All of this rock, when I moved here, none of this rock existed here. All of this rock was up against supporting the retaining wall here. And year after year after year, it falls in because they refuse to net the rock here to prevent it from falling. And this is what it looks like. It's a hot mess. And this is another reason why I want to move from here. It is a beautiful, beautiful property. It really, really is. But if you have a property that borders a county road and they're required to maintain it and then don't, and then they refuse to allow you to fix it, you've got to get away from there. I'm a targeted person, and that's what they do to targeted people. I am not going to live next to this eyesore that they won't repair. So, and then they keep sabotaging it. Because when I move from here, they're going to have to fix it. The new person, whoever is going to move here, I will provide them with all the letters that I wrote to the county about repairing the county road. So, but yeah, they'll make all kinds of excuses as to why they can't fix it. And this happens in other towns and counties too, but particularly with targeted people. But I will say that when I lived at in Manalapan, even as a targeted person, if there was a pothole in front of my house on the road, and I would call, literally, sometimes they could be there the same day. That's what happens when you pay higher property taxes. Whether you're targeted or not, they fix the roads. They plow the roads. They'll plow the roads several times. If they knock down your mailbox, they'll pay for the mailbox to be repaired or replaced. So those are the benefits of living in a town with more financial resources. But no, I mean, I love living near a creek. It's wonderful. But the county does not care for it, and it is an eyesore. All of the rock that's over here, also, all of this rock belongs up in this retaining wall. And then, the criminals come here and they do this deliberately because they know, I mean, of course, the waters are a little higher now. I will get there when the waters are lower. And grab that piece of wire that they threw over there, that blue piece of wire. But anyway, my birdies are having a good time. They have their own little schedule. They like to walk around this part of the property because this is where the sun is shining. and they'll come down here by the river. There they are, the birdies. Guys, where are you going? You going for a drink? So we've got Snowden and his little flock of girls. These are my older chickens. These are actually the first ones I got when I moved here. So these are the older girls. They're actually still laying eggs. Although Muffy Puffy didn't lay eggs after her sister was killed by these criminals. She stopped laying eggs, but she started laying them again. And here come the guineas. You want to say hi to YouTube? Say hi to everybody, guys. Say, yeah, we're just going down to the river for a drink of water. Because we actually are waterfowl. They're called guinea fowl. And they're so weird. And I can't wait to show you their mating dance at night. I had completely forgotten, or I just didn't remember. I did write it down that it was daylight savings time. So, you know, we all lost an hour. And so my daughter reminded me last night. So hi guys, I'm going to say hi to YouTube. This is Tina. Not Tina Booth, guys. It's Tina Turner. It's Tina. And you guys named her. Actually, he's a rooster now. But when he was a baby, he was so, right? Was he the cutest little? We thought he was a girl. He had all this hair sticking up, and he was just so cute. And then he turned into a guy. But he still has long hair. Like, look, he's got hair. He's got, like, let's see, he's got hair. And here's another little guinea poo. Another little guinea. Say hi. Another guineas. Say hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Where'd these holes come from, huh? Say good morning. Oh, yeah, the criminals don't sleep. You know, guess when you get paid, bribed, coerced, you're in it for the money. So overnight, they destroyed 2 cat bowls I purchased last year. They just cut huge holes in them. Now, I took care of a feral cat colony in Manalapan, New Jersey for more than 16 years. I never had the kind of damage to any of our equipment there as I have on my own property in rural Kentucky. These criminals, here, this is what they did yesterday. I mentioned that they destroyed a little solar light. Actually, I have to see if it still works. So this is a little solar light. They removed the panel. So you see the way they cut this? They sliced this. They stuck this panel in the wood here. And you can see that they removed this. I just installed this last summer. And look what they did. They're removing the solar panel up here and then this digital panel here. They're evil, jealous, pathetic losers. And sing it, young man. That's Trey, that's Trey Gowdy. And unfortunately, my rooster, Rand Paul, he was grabbed by a fox with the first snowstorm we had. You want to say hello? Say hi. You want to say hello? Hi, everybody. I'm just a rooster. And we've got some more guineas over here. And we've got Chirp. Chirp. You want to say hi? I guess he told you. He's the boss around here. But I hope everybody's doing well. I'll probably post a video later. At some point, I've got to work on my taxes. Because each year, living here, I actually do have to do a loss statement. So the loss statement is all the vandalism and thefts that I've had on the property, both for the cat rescue and for me personally. And that is submitted every year that I'm living here. So I've got to keep documentation of these crimes that the sheriff's department is supposed to be investigating and don't. And just remember, folks, sheriff's department is always involved. And they have it in their ability to decide over the county lawyer, over the prosecutor, and over the FBI. And when they go along to get along and allow these criminal, corrupt programs into their community, it's their fault. It's nobody else's fault but theirs. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading signing off for now. Have a great day.